Dia.
I think reiterating Australia's ongoing commitment to support and work with Timor-Leste on climate change, and to talk about how collectively we can work together on driving stronger global action for climate change. Sure. I think what is clear is Timor-Leste's own emissions are so small that that is not contributing to global climate change, but the emissions from other large countries are creating increased weather disruptions, which are very problematic for Timor-Leste. So our focus is really understanding the key sectors and communities that need support, and Australia's looking to partner with the Timorese government to help with your priorities. So we've heard very much around agricultural production, around water conservation and restoration so that it's available for communities and for food production. And increasingly we're hearing around making sure that there's appropriate data and information to help governments and communities prepare for climate impacts.